Welcome back to the Forge, guys. I'm Rob. Let's make something. Okay, so we're going to take a little time out on the sword. I'm having some issues with that. We will get to that later. But for now, I have always wanted to make a feather Damascus. So what we're going to do is we're going to make, wait for it, feather Damascus. Fingers crossed. I'm in the process of cutting and stacking the metal, cleaning it up and everything, and then we're going to wire wrap it, put it on the forge, flux it up, stick it, fold it, stick it, cut it, stick it, flat, make a knife. That is my plan, so we are going to start from here and hopefully get to that. So let's cue those tunes. Let's start doing stuff. There's our 10 layers. We got it wrapped up. This should hold it. Okay, so my wires are starting to break. So hopefully we got it stuck enough it won't be moving all over the place. I did take a second and throw in the vise and press it down the best I could. This next heat will let us know. If you haven't already, jump down there and hit the like, subscribe if you want to watch more of this, and if you do, tag that little bell down there. It'll notify you when I do another one of these. We are in the extreme caution danger area of Wing It right now. So this should be exciting. also broke that part there too. So we're just gonna try to knock out a little Damascus knife. The feather Damascus was not a success. So we'll have to add that to the things of list of things to do again. Super unfortunate though. But let's go ahead and just turn this into something just so it's not a wasted video. Okay, so feather Damascus did not work out for us. We did make, like, I don't know, I guess a little steak knife maybe. I still gotta clean it up. I just wanted to get enough on there and throw it in the edge just so we could see what it looked like a little bit. Do got a little bit of a shallow inclusion on this side right here, but I think I can grind that down. It don't look very deep. So we're going to say this is a failure of feather Damascus, a success with Damascus. So anyways, you know, we learned a lot. And so we're going to continue forward. I'm going to clean this up, turn this into something, throw a handle on it. And we'll just have to come back. I know that it's something little that I'm overlooking, but I just could not get those two to stick. We tried. But I'm not disappointed, I'm not upset. I think that's a nice little knife. So we are, we're okay with it. So, unfortunately, no feather Damascus. I don't know what to say about that. So, just keep pushing forward and use every opportunity to learn something new. And that's what we did today. Hopefully y'all might have learned a little something. I don't know. So, until next time, guys, be cool and make cool stuff.